this is me, Dominic, and this is Daddy. Or you want to call him Tito Brian. So, we're gonna, remember that link I post? That we're gonna unbox the PS5? We're gonna do it right now. Daddy will help me unbox this because I don't know how to unbox it. Let's just unbox it. Okay.
Start.
Start. We have to remove the seal first. Daddy, be careful, okay? It'll be exciting! Comments down below. Makes a million likes. Whoa! Come on, control. Come on, control.
Wow!
Whoa! Look, the PS5! Here's the pack.
Let's put it down.
You keep that. And this is the.
We don't know how to open it, so
This is the logo.
I think this one, remove it. Okay, remove that.
There we go.
Okay. Okay.
Who's
excited?
Hey, I can see the PS5 there.
You do it like, oh, it's like that.
Oh.
So, what's this now? I think these are there.
What are these? These are the charger.
Power cord.
This is the power cord. It's black. It's like my daddy's charger.
Guide.
This is the guide.
Save documents.
And more documents.
Documents, yeah.
And stand.
Show it.
You see, it's for the PS5. It's like sliding down.
On the side.
Let's see the remote control. Whoa! Whoa! I'm playing PS5. Oh no, I'm gonna lose. Whoa! It's so nice. Now we forgot to unbox this.
Now, box. I think we just need to put it upside down. Right?
Yes.
Let's see what will happen.
Open.
Side.
Be careful. It's like a castle,
Is it
Daddy.
heavy? Check if it's heavy.
It's pretty heavy.
Oh, show it, show it. Wow.
It's heavy. Continue. Wow.
Wow. Nice.
So, but guys, we have to practice how to play the PS5.
Oh, wow. Look at this.
Playing video games. For now, if you want to see us how to play the PS5, comments down below and click subscribe and the like button.